Halor kapang ban ay nuksa syaki pajba kamtam syaki samla kabaya day pagjing Kordor ka bat kumno ban Pynneh pensa yaka katanat water conservation haka hinyo tarik urampang arja arpusaw kalau penlong yaka pre-conclave events ha State Convention Center. Hakani kasngi la play perdaru yaka International Water Conclave kabalawan ban play daw Menteri Katanat Water Resources uba coming one ambon haringkat kajingya donlang u Commissioner jong Katanat Soil but Water Conservation u Joram Beda u Additional Chief Secretary ka Water Resources u Shakil P. Ahmed ki officer na Katanat baper ki samla pulian nolor ki weipan. Hakadang singila samru iki kusnam siginong job ki blay shimbanta ki jingya kop kum ka essay writing ka quiz competition ka mobile photography na lor ki weipan. Haba ajing kran na kalyang uba coming one ambon ulaong. Baha Meghalaya kelas dang ban sngotu ya ka jing Donkam ban penlang lingba ki babon ki jing pratlenti na ka sarkar jalla ringkat ka jing Ïatreilang ki Dorbar Shnong bat ki wei. Ulaong ru ba ka sarkar kaya le kat bala ban penbiang bam di klam da pensniu ya ka may maryang.
Water is the essence in life, has been an integral part of our culture and tradition and daily lives in Meghalaya for centuries. However, despite this natural bounty, we are not immune to the challenges that confront to the global community in managing this precious resource. As we gather here today, we are faced with the reality of a world grappling with water scarcity, pollution and climate change. These challenges transcend borders and demand a collective response from all of us. These conflicts underscore the need for concentrated action to safeguard our water resource for future generations. In Meghalaya, we have recognized the importance of sustainable water management as a cornerstone of our development agenda through innovative policies, community-driven initiative and partnership with the stakeholder. We are striving to ensure equitable access to clean and safe water for all our citizens while preserving our natural ecosystem. However, our efforts alone are not enough. We must collaborate across borders, share knowledge and best practice, and harness the power of technology and innovation to address the complex challenges facing our water resource. These conflicts provide a uniform platform for such collaboration and exchange of ideas.
The winner of the national category. Next we have Talo Anthony of the regional category. Talo Anthony. And the winner of the Meghalaya category, as we had seen earlier, is Shubham Thapa and Sanjay Paul. Can we have Shubham Thapa and Sanjay Paul on stage, please? Congratulations to these winners. And not only do we have only the winners, but we also have special prizes. I would like to mention, and if you are here amidst our gathering here today, I would like to call you up on stage. The youngest applicants. This is the third prize winner for the mobile photography. Second prize winner.
Haba ajing kran na kanig na kalyang Shakil P. Ahmed ulaang baladaki nong Shnong kimyele ban kunay ya kapateng kaban wan kan sa siyamjing nolor kata ulaang ru bakat kajing don ka hari India house nam arjar saupo kala ban hiar syadu 1.5 billion cubic meter bat kani kan wan ra ya kajing jar kabapun rukam.
I think we need to understand the value of nature's nectar, that is water. Even if you take the total water which is available in India, probably by 2040, the shortfall would be something to the tune of 63 billion cubic meters of water between supply and demand, which cannot be met, as simple as that. So the only way to live in future would be reducing the usage, recycling water, rejuvenating the resources and respecting water. Nothing less than this. Because the demand have to be reduced. Because supply is almost become stagnant or it may come down a bit. Demand management and water budgeting is what is required, and water recycling and reuse.